Hey, quiero una Reese's.
Delicioso.
Pues bueno. Hi. I'm Sammy. And this is Mona. We are the two Screaming Idiots. The only place on the internet where two brains make half a brain.
Sorry, lost my composure. Today we're having a mystery. My mouth's all gross. We're having a mystery sound challenge where we have gathered. We have gathered 3 items from within the household, and we're gonna take turns. One one's gonna be blindfolded, and the other one is gonna be making certain sounds with the object, and they have to try to guess what it is.
Yep, and another interesting thing that we have about it is we have a wager that we have to place when an item gets presented. We have 3 options that we can choose to wager. So one of them is a good thing, the other 2 are a punishment. For the good thing is we can wager eating a Reese's. Next up is the punishments, and one of the punishments is we get a giant red ball thrown at our face while blindfolded.
You can't even talk either, dude.
Folded. The other one is we have to lick pepper.
The 3 sounds that we have to make with our objects, we have to, there's to drop it, there's to flick it, and then there's to use it. All right, so we're back. Sam's blindfolded. We each get 2 lifelines. One of the lifelines is you get to call someone, we get to play the noises for them over the phone, and the other one is he gets to ask what room is it typically found in, and then I get to tell him which room it's in. So this is Sam's first item.
Oh gosh, dude,
So what are you gonna wager, dude? You gonna wager your ball to the face, the Reese's, how you say it, or the pepper?
I feel like you might have been nice on the first one, so I'm gonna do the pepper. I'm gonna wager the pepper the first time.
All right, sounds good. All right.
Okay.
So first sound, I'm going to drop it.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna flick it. And then I'm gonna use it. I don't think I can use it all the way though.
The freak? I don't even freaking know. Why did I say peppers? I'm gonna use a lifeline. I'm gonna use the room.
All right. This can typically be found in your sister's room.
That doesn't help. What is that? What does that? Is it a marker?
And take off your blindfold.
Oh, suck. Oh no. Oh, you have it. No. You really thought I was gonna get it?
Leave your hand open. Come on. Oh, that came out a lot. Do you want to?
3, 2, 1.
You got so much.
Dude, you can.
Oh, that's true. You know what that reminds me of, dude?
No.
The soup.
The soup. It does remind me of the soup, dude. Now that you say that.
If you don't know what we're talking about, watch our Dollar Store cook-off video, and then you will know. All right, so this is my item. What are you wagering?
I really want to eat something nice, so I'm gonna go with the Reese's.
Okay, so I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna flick it, and I'm gonna use it.
Oh, I am so glad I picked the Reese's on this one. It's a tape measure.
Oh, open up your blindfold.
Yes! Thank goodness. I need something in my mouth that doesn't taste like awfulness. Please watch me as I eat my Reese's. Oh, jeez. Quit. Why you get one?
Oh, I don't know, because I want one.
What? So, yep, this time I wagered the ball, because that's all I have left.
Ball to the face. Round 3. Right, you ready for me to drop it?
Yeah.
And this is me flicking it.
You need to learn how to flick without pain coming into your life.
And then use it.
Yeah.
I don't really know how.
What? You don't know how to use it?
Right?
Is it chapstick?
Is that your final guess?
Yes.
Open up your eyes. The
What
door
the
stop.
heck is that?
The door stop.
Where did you even find that?
Over there. But yeah, you can throw whenever you want, Laura. No
I
countdown.
don't know why I'm so nervous about this.
Dude, you'll be fine. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
There you go, dude. You got 1 of 3.
Wow, I suck. Okay, so this is my item. So what do you wager?
I'm gonna wager the ball to the face.
Ball to the face? Okay. Okay. So this is me dropping it. So this is me flicking it. And this is me using it.
I'm gonna say it's a Rubik's Cube.
Okay. Take off your blindfold.
Yes! Yes!
Well, we're tied. After 1. This is my second item. Are you ready
Yes.
to wager?
Yes. I wager a Reese's.
A Reese's? Okay. I'm going to drop it. I am going to flick it. And now I'm going to use it.
Use it again?
Okay, I used it.
What is that? Oh. Is it floss?
Okay. Take a look.
Dang it! I thought it was floss! It sounded like the little wheel thing! It sounded like the little wheel thing when you pull it out! I was like, oh!
You're really excited about that.
Yeah.
Well, sorry, you don't get to eat a Reese's. This is my final item. What do you wager?
Well, I'll
The
have
pepper.
this pepper.
Good point. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm dropping it. And now I am flicking it. Now I'm going to use it.
What in the world? Alright, I'm gonna use a lifeline. What room is it typically found in?
My room.
Your room?
Yes. It's strictly in my room.
Can I call someone?
If you want to.
Yeah, I want to call someone.
Okay. Who are you going to call?
Can I call Ariel?
Ariel? I don't know if she has service right now. I mean, I could try her.
Alright.
Give her real quick. Nope.
Dang it. Can I call Laura?
No, you can't call Lara.
Hey Laura, I'm calling you. Use it one more time. See, that's the thing that's confusing me. The fact that there's airflow.
Yeah, there's airflow. And it makes noises.
And it makes, yeah, it plays that School's Out song. I'm gonna hate this. Is it a bubble making machine?
Okay, open your eyes.
Oh my gosh, what the freak is that? How the freak am I supposed to guess that?
Guess what you could have now?
I just about flipped this table, dude. You can jump a lot on purpose, aren't you?
There.
Okay.
I am nice. Just to let you know, it's about like 700 times smaller for him.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's kind of spicy.
Yeah, it gets there eventually.
Ah. Oh no, I find it hit. Oh, dude. Holy cow.
So, are we gonna leave it as a tie, or are we gonna do sudden death?
Yes. Good question. I'm having a hard time.
We can do sudden death, where it has to be, you have to grab something from the room. If I don't get it right, then I automatically lose. This is for the wishing well.
Sure. With those odds, I'm down with those kind of odds.
Sudden death.
Sudden death round. I get to choose just one item from this room. If Sam gets it right, he wins. If he gets it wrong, I win. I got my item.
Okay. Oh man, there's so much pressure on me right now. I don't like it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop it. All right, I'm gonna flick it. Ouch, that hurt.
And now use it. Flick it.
It hurts to flick.
Learn how to flick. Is it the battery charger?
What?
Battery charger for the camera.
Is that your final guess?
Yeah.
All right, dude. It's the wall charger for my phone.
Ah!
You were close, dude. When you said battery charger, I was like, what?
Ah!
Yeah!
Dang it.
It's so good.
I
It's
had
so
it.
good.
I had it.
Yeah, but you did it.
I had it. I was right there. Whatever.
Well, speaking of well, that's me. I'm 2 for wishing well. 1 more. And I get my wish.
Oh my gosh. We can't make any more contest videos.
Could be good. Could be good.
Stink.
All right. Well, thanks for watching Sam lose.
Again.
Yeah. Until next time, deuces.